The political phrases left wing and right wing arose from the physical seating arrangements in the French National Assembly during the early days of the French Revolution in 1789. The French Revolution, 1789. The Assembly. Delegates met to draft a constitution and determine the king's authority. The right, aristocratic supporters of the monarchy and the church, sat to the presiding officer's right. They favored the ancien regime, the old order, tradition, and social hierarchy. The left, anti-royalist revolutionaries and commoners, sat to the presiding officer's left. They favored radical change, the overthrow of the monarchy, and the democratic principles of liberty and equality. Evolution of the terms. 19th century, newspapers adopted left and right to easily describe progressive reformist groups versus conservative traditionalist groups. In the 20th century, the terms spread globally and became standard shorthand for classifying political ideologies and economic philosophies. Modern political spectrum. While the exact definitions vary by country, the terms generally represent opposing worldviews. Left wing, advocates for social equality, wealth redistribution, state intervention in the economy, and progressive social change. Right wing, advocates for free market capitalism, limited government intervention, traditional social values, and the preservation of established institutions. Would you like to explore how these terms apply to modern political systems, or perhaps trace how the definitions have shifted over the last 2 centuries? Where did the terms left wing and right wing come from? Where did the terms left wing and right wing come from? It has to do with seating arrangements. Today, the terms left wing